Hi everyone. Welcome to yet another video related to IT infrastructure. In this video we will investigate the cost aspects of IT systems for an organization. In Total Cost of Ownership model, we analyze several direct and indirect costs. This helps the firms to determine the actual cost of implementing specific technological platforms. First step is purchases of hardware and software. These includes computers, terminals, storage, printers, etc. Utmost care to be given while purchasing licenses for software, which normally comes per user. This may cost approximately 20% of the total cost. This constitutes the cost of installation of computers and software. Experts in these fields are required to perform the same and costs may be high. Trainings are to be provided for IT specialists in our organization and end users. The cost of training depends on the sophistication of the system purchased and technical literacy level of staffs getting trained. There are a lot of after-sales services including help desk and technical support on call. Cost for availing these support should not be overlooked. Regular upgrades of hardware as well as software to be conducted as the technology advances. Maintenance includes replacing outdated and obsolete components which are no more compatible with after a period. Specialized equipment like storage backup units and networks are to be acquired and maintained for support. Cost of associated peripherals must not be ignored. Sometimes hardware or software may fail and cause the system unable to process the user tasks. Cost of this lost productivity shall be considered while summing up the total cost of ownership. The IT infrastructure needs space to house and energy to operate. Real estate and related utility cost for providing these systems to be considered in this aspect. Utility charges include the fee for internet usage also. How much a firm should spend on IT infrastructure is a million-dollar question. To address these challenges, competitive force model may help you determining the IT infrastructure investment. Are customers complaining about slow responses? Are suppliers finding difficulty in understanding your product requirements? Are your employees complaining about difficulty in finding the correct information to perform? Market demand for your firm's service is the first thing. Your firm's 5-year business strategy to be analyzed properly. Assess what new services are to be incorporated to achieve the goals as detailed in the strategy. Assess the alignment of your IT plan for next 5 years with the firm's strategic business plan. Perform total cost of ownership calculation. Benchmark your organization with the latest technological advancement. Avoid expensive and non-reliable sources which are experimental at this stage. Select established vendors who compete for cost with multiple suppliers in the market. What technological service your competitor is offering to customers are to be found out. Compare your firm qualitatively as well as quantitatively to others. If falling short, it's time for a scale up. Your firm's IT spending to be compared with that of your competitors. Currently, most giants in this field publish their IT expenditures in annual financial reports. It is not at all mandatory to spend more than your competitor. Less expenses in IT infrastructure give the firm a cost advantage. On the other hand, far less spending than your competitor may end up in poor performance and subsequent market share losses. So wisely select your options in IT solutions and be a leader in this world of digital transformation. Thank you and best wishes.